Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Cherish. If it's your first time passing through this channel, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, guys. So today I'm so excited, I'm so happy, I'm so overwhelmed. I can't express myself enough, I'm so happy. So I'm so excited because I wanted to film this video of my iPhone 11 Pro Max unboxing. Yeah, you had me right. So I actually got a new phone. I was actually using iPhone X and I got an iPhone 11. This is basically the carton of the iPhone 11 and this is my old iPhone X. So in this video I'll be unboxing this my new iPhone 11 Pro Max and I'm so happy. Like, God, can you imagine? Like, okay, so without talking much, let's get right into the unboxing.
Tired of messing around with the F-boys. It was a good job, kept me employed, but now I'm moving on to the next point. Try to date a prince instead of a simp, yeah. Someone who's gonna love me through my good, bad and ugly. More than IG, I want a life story, kinda something like that Shakespeare would have wrote it, yeah. Romeo, I wish I could've met you. Romeo, I wish that I could text you. I bet you would help me. Tell me, what would Juliet do? She'd keep on looking till she found the one. Like Romeo, Romeo, where art thou? Romeo, Romeo, I want my Romeo, Romeo. Yeah, I want something classic, but all these boys are tragic. Romeo. Why'd you have to go and set the bar so high? It's 2020 when nobody's stars are crossing right, and we can blame it on the guys who are talking in disguise. Got the body of a prince, but the heart of a simp. I need someone who's gonna love me through my good, bad and ugly. More than IG, I want a life story, and I'm talking about the Leo version of it, yeah. Romeo, I wish I could've met you. Romeo, I wish that I could text you. I bet you would help me. Tell me, what would Juliet do? She'd keep on looking till she found the one. Like Romeo, Romeo, where art thou? Romeo, Romeo, I want my Romeo, Romeo. Yeah, I want something classic, but all these boys are tragic. Romeo, 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 Romeo. She keep on looking till she found the one. Like Romeo, Romeo, where art thou? Romeo, Romeo, I want my Romeo, Romeo. Yeah, I want something classic, but all these boys are tragic. Romeo. Tired of messing around with the F-boys. It was a good job, kept me employed, but now I'm moving on to the next point. Try to date a prince instead of a simp, yeah. Someone who's gonna love me through my good, bad and ugly. More than IG, I want a life story, kinda something like that Shakespeare would have wrote it, yeah. Romeo, I wish I could've and set the bar so high. It's 2020 when nobody starts crossing right, and we can blame it on the guys who are talking in disguise. Got the body of a prince, but the heart of a simp. I need someone who's gonna love me through my good, bad, and ugly. More than IG, I want a life story, and I'm talking about the Leo version of it, yeah. Romeo, I wish I could've met you. Romeo, I wish that I could text you. I bet you would help me. Tell me, what would Juliet do? She keep on looking till she found the one. Like Romeo, Romeo, where art thou? Romeo, Romeo, I want my Romeo, Romeo. Yeah, I want something classic, but all these boys are tragic. Romeo, 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 Romeo. She keep on looking till she found the one. Like I want a life story, kinda something like that Shakespeare would've wrote it, yeah. Romeo,